How are you girls? Today we will start a new lesson. The lesson is problem solving. We will use in this problem the coordinate plan, so please bring your books and open your books on page 195 to solve the first problem. So which strategy that I will use it in this lesson? The strategy that I will use it is drawing diagram or the coordinate plan. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Okay, so this is the first problem on page 195. An artist is using an illustration program. So let's start and read with me the problem, please. An artist is using an illustration program. The program uses a coordinate plan. Okay, so the program uses a coordinate plan. Illustration means something like explanation or clarification. Okay, that's what I mean in illustration program. Explanation program, that's what I mean. The program uses a coordinate plan with the origin 0, 0. This is the point, the origin point, located at the center of the computer screen. Okay, so this coordinate plan, the center of the screen, is on the origin number or origin point. The artist draws a dinosaur centered on the point 4, 6. So look at this one. Okay, 4, 6. Then she moves it 10 units to the left and 12 units down. What ordered pair represents the dinosaur's new location? So I have a dinosaur, a diagram like a dinosaur. So he moves this dinosaur from its point, which is 4, 6, 10 units to the left, 12 units down. I want to find the new point. It will be what? The new ordered pair for the new point. So, girls, here, of course, he said that use the graphic organizer to help you solve the problem. That means I have to use the grid or the coordinate plan drawn on the grid because it will help you to find the new ordered pair. First thing, you know that you have first step, which is read the problem. The first step consists of 3 steps, 3 little steps or small steps. I have to answer those steps or question to understand the problem. And I learn you how to answer each one. So it's the same in all problems or in all lessons that about problem solving. So the first problem or the first question is what do I need to find? I told you this the answer for this question is the question in the problem. The question in the problem is what? What do you want to find in the problem? You have to look for the question mark. This is the question mark. That means this is my question. Okay, this is my question. Okay, so this is what I need to find. This is the answer for the first step. I need to find what? I need to find what? So I need to find the ordered pair. Don't type on the chat, Rina. Focus with me. I need to find what? In the problem asked me to find the ordered pair that represent the dinosaurs in your location. So I need to find the ordered pair. This is what I need to find here, ordered pair. Okay, this is the first step, the second one. What information do I need to use? What information do I need to use? I have to look for the numbers in the problem. Did you remember? I told you in this step you have to look for the numbers. What is the numbers that written in my problem? So the numbers in my problem, first thing, the point for the dinosaur that is drawn in this. So the first one, okay, the first number is 4, 6, the point for the dinosaur. And I have two numbers, the 10 units. The point moves 10 units left, 12 units down. So I have to write those in the information, because this question or this step will take all the numbers in the problem and put it together to use it when I want to solve the problem. So the dinosaur started at the point, which point? He started at the point 4, 6. The dinosaur centered on the point 4, 6. So this is the point that the dinosaur started. Then the artist move this point. That's mean 10 units left, 10 units to the left, and 12 down, 12 units down. This is the information in my problem. How will I use the information? What is the strategy? Which strategy you will use it to find the answer, or which strategy you will use it to solve this problem? You know that this is a points and a graphic organizer. That's mean the most important thing, very good Farah, it's coordinate plan. I will use the coordinate plan to answer this problem, because I can't answer it without drawing a coordinate plan. So very good Farah, you have to use a coordinate plan. So this is the answer for those 3 steps. Now I will move to solve the problem. Did you finish, girls? If you finished, please type 1 in the chat. I want you, all of you, why you are late, Lamar? Try to be on the time, please. Okay? Okay, so let's move now to the next step, which is how I will solve this problem. How I will solve this problem. So I will use the coordinate plan to locate the first point, which is the point that this dinosaur is on it, 4, 6. So start by graphing and labeling the point. Which point? The point that this dinosaur starts at 4, 6. So I have to locate this point. As we know, first thing, the first coordinate is x, the second one is y. So x is 4, that's mean I have to count 4. This is x. This is x here. The y is 6. So I will count on the y-axis 2, 4, 6. So this is the point. This is the point that the dinosaur start at this point. 4 and 6. He told me that the dinosaur or the point move 10 units to the left and 12 units down. Let's see. I will count. Look, I have this point. This is the point that the dinosaur will locating on it. I have to move to the left 10 units. 10 units. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, I'm sorry. Those each 2 square is 2. So this is 2 in the first square, not 1. This is 2 in the first square. I have to repeat it again. This is 2. This is 4. This is 6. This is 8. This is 10. So those 10 units left. So this point moves those units to the left. Now, what about the units to the that this point moves down? Okay, Lena. Try again. Try again. So now I have to move down 12 units. That means I have to count 12. Each square is 2, girls. I have to keep it in your mind. Each square is 2, not 1 here, because look at the grid here. If you take a look here, look at the axis. The axis divided 2 by 2. Each step is 2. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is the way that this point moved. So the point moved from here, from this quadrant to this quadrant. Now, okay, Farah, one coordinate is correct, but the other is wrong. So try again also. Now I want to find the ordered pair. The ordered pair for this new point. So this is the new point here. How I will find the ordered pair? I will take a vertical line. It will intersect the x on -6, and horizontal line, it will intersect the y here on -6 also. So the new point for this dinosaur is -6, -6. And this is the solution. So here, from the point, count 10 units. I will write the answer for you. 10 units. To the left. And then count 12 units down. Then graph and label the point. It will be what? -6, -6. This is the new point. No, it's not 6, 9, Tori. It's -6, -6. Because you have to follow the units. The units are 10 to the left, 12 to the 12 units down. Just you have to move 10 to the left, 12 down. This is 10 units, and this is 12 down. Then this is the point that, or this is the new point. How I will find it? I will take horizontal line or vertical line to find x, the horizontal line to find y. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat, girls. This is the answer for this problem. Okay, did you finish, all of you? Quickly, please, Maysam and Asma. It's very easy. Just locate the points to find the answer and write those, the missing numbers. No need to take long time. Quickly, please. Okay, now let's move to the next problem, which is a problem on page 196. Okay, and let's read this problem also. This problem I will use the coordinate plan also to find the answer. Okay, here I will use the distance between the points to find the answer. Let's see how. Tyron and Kyra both walk home from school. So I have two, a boy and girl, walk home from school. Kyra walks 4 blocks east, 3 blocks south to get home. Tyron lives 3 blocks west and 3 blocks south of the school. How far apart are Tyron's and Kyra's homes? Okay, so first thing I will understand the problem. Yes, Farah, by answering those questions, I will answer those questions right here. So what do I need to find? As I said too many times, it's the question in the problem. What's the question in the problem? I have to look for the question mark. The question is how far. I need to find the distance between Kyra or Tyron home and Kyra home. So I need to find the distance between those 2 points. Okay, what do I need to find is the distance. I need to find the answer. I need to find the distance between or from Tyron home to Kyra home. This is what I need to find. Okay, now you can write it, girls. This is the answer for this question. Now the next one is, what information do I need to use? What information do I need to use? You know, the information is what is the numbers in the problem. let's see now the numbers in the problem. First thing, here he told me that Tyron and Kyra both walk home from school. So both Tyron and Kyra start from the first point, which is school. Okay? So they will start from the same point. But Kyra walks 4 blocks east and where is it? Kyra walks 4 blocks east and 3 blocks south to get home. But Tyron walks 3 blocks east and 3 blocks south of the school. So I have to write all this information to answer this question. Okay, so let's here answer this question. So Tyron, or they, I will say they start at the same point, which is the school. Kyra walks 4 blocks east and 3 blocks south. Okay, then Tyron walks 3 blocks west and 3 blocks south. So this is the information in my problem. I will use it to find the answer. The last step is how you will use those information. Of course, the strategy that I will use it to find the answer in problems like this, of course, it's coordinate plan. As I mentioned before, it's coordinate I will use. So I will say I will use, or I can use here, coordinate plan. And with school, the school will be on the point 0, 0, or at the point at the origin, which is 0, 0. And then I can here and put or trace. I will trace each student walk from school. Okay, so this is the strategy. The strategy is coordinate plan. Yes, coordinating, of course, because I have to locating the points for each one and then measuring the distance between Chiron and Chiron. I want you to type 1, please, when you finish, girls. Just one time. If you don't finish, please type 0. Okay, Lamar, you can see from the chat, I think you can enter the session again. Maybe you have a problem in the internet. Okay, girls, I think you finished. Let's move now to solve this problem. Of course, I will use the coordinate plan here to solve this problem. So I will erase those first. Then I will locate the first point. The school will be here. The school will be on the origin. As I mentioned in the strategy that I will use it here, girls, this is the school. Okay, here this point will be the school. Okay, so, or the origin point. This coordinate plan x and y, I will use it as east, west, and north and south. Okay, so this is will be east direction. This will be west direction. You know that east and west are opposite. This will be north direction, n, and this will be south direction. So I will change this s. This will be O, which is the school. The school at this point. Now I will locate the points according to the problem what mentioned in the formation. He told me that Kyra first. Kyra walks 4 blocks east, 3 blocks south. So I have to move what here. If you want, you can divide each one as a 1. You divide this grid. Actually, this grid it's not divided, right? So I can here take each one is a 1. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. That's mean this is 4. So this is what Kyra walked. So Kyra walked 4 east. That's mean I have to move 4 east, and then she moved what 3 blocks south. Okay, this is south direction. That's mean I have to move down 3 blocks. You have to count 3, 1, 2, and 3. So I have to take this point. This is the point that represents Kyra home. This is Kyra. I will set K to Kyra. What is the coordinate for this point? Look, this is -3. Why? Because it's down under the 0. The y is negative and the x is positive because it's on the right side of 0. It's 4 4 and -3. This is the point for Cairo home. What about now the point for, okay, let's see now, the point for Tyrone home. Tyrone, where is it? Tyrone lives 3 blocks west. I have to move 3 blocks west. This is the west direction. I have to move 3 blocks. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 3 blocks south also. So also this is the south direction, 1 and 2 and 3. So this is the point here. The point will be right here for Tyrone. Of course, this is -3 because it's on the left side of 0, and -3 because it's under the 0. So this is the ordered pair for this point. So look, I want to find the distance between those points. The distance between those points, as I said, I have to find the distance between 2 points on the same horizontal line. Look, 2 points on the same horizontal line. To find the distance here, first thing I will find the coordinate for each one. The first one, which is K. What is the X for K? Because here I have a distance, a horizontal distance. That means I will use the horizontal coordinate, which is X, right? So what is the horizontal distance or horizontal coordinate, or the X coordinate for K? It's 4. That's mean the distance from this point and y-axis is what? It is 4, right? Or you can set the absolute value for 4. Now, what is the distance between the 0 point or the horizontal axis, the horizontal coordinate, which is the X coordinate for Tyrone? Okay, I will erase this. Which is the X, what is the X coordinate for Tyrone, which is the distance between the point and y-axis? It's -3. -3. This is the X coordinate. So the X coordinate means the distance between this point and y coordinate is what? It's the absolute value for -3. Okay? Because this is -3, -3. That means X is -3. So to find the distance between those 2 points, what I have to do for those? Add or subtract? Who will tell me what I have to do? What I have to do? I have to add. Very good, girls. I have to add. So the distance, as an example, I will set D, 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 D. This is D. The distance between those 2 points equals 4 plus the absolute value for -3. The absolute value for -3, it's what? It's 3. That's mean 4 plus 3 equals 7 what? Blocks. 7 blocks. This is the distance between those points, and this is the solution. Okay, girls? Did you finish now? Because the period is finished, you have to enter the next one. If you don't finish, please type 0. Okay. Did you have a session after the math? Do you have a session?